Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about variables in Python. In programming, a variable is a value that can change depending on conditions or on information passed to the program. Before starting the lecture, first let's see some settings. And here you can see in editor, the journal. Mark this option change font size with Ctrl plus mouse wheel and then click apply button. Now let's check appearance and behavior. And the appearance, here you can change your theme anytime. So here is Tarcula and high contrast and the IntelliJ. Now we can change the size by pressing Ctrl and mouse wheel up and down. Let's create a new Python file. Right click and then new Python and the Python file name variable. Let's write some code like print 3000 and then run. Choose the file and here is the result. Let's create a variable named code and assign a value 1 to 1 and print this code, and here is the result 1 to 1. Let's create a variable first name and then last name. Print these two values, first name and then last name. And then code, and here is the result. We can also concate strings like this. For concating we will use plus sign, first name and then space and then last name. Type code. Type shows the type of data stored in the variable. Object identity. In Python, every object that is created is given a number that uniquely identifies it. It is guaranteed that no two objects will have the same identifier during any period in which their lifetime overlap. Let's write few lines. This is line 1, and for the new line we will use \n. And here are 3 lines. Let's add some values. First assign a variable and a value 5, second variable b and a value 6, and let's create another variable result and sum a and b and then show the result. Result is, and I'm not converting this result into a string, so let's check what happened. And here we have error in line 17, integer. So convert this integer value to a string, and here is the result. The result is 11. Let's try the result with different operators like multiply, asterisk, result is 30. For subtraction and for division. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.